wanted to show you this interesting visual as a starting point when looking at long division. When I'm looking at 12 divided by 3, I think to myself, how many would fit into 3 rows? How many of my 12 would fit into 3 rows? So if I had an array and it had 3 rows, how many of my 12 would fit into 3 rows? I know that in 3 rows there would be 4 in each, and that would make 12. So when I am thinking about 12 divided by 3, the first thing I think about is, what array could I make with 3 rows? Here is my next visual. It is 21 divided by 3. How many would fit into 3 rows? How many of my 21 would fit into 3 rows equally? Could I make an array? Could I make an arrangement that looks like this? Well, I can. I know that within 3 rows there are 7 in each row, which would make 21. I know that 3 times 7 is 21. Here is my final visual. When I'm dividing, I think to myself, if I'm saying 24 divided by 6, I think of 6 rows. How many of my 24 could I put into 6 rows? Well, I know that I could put 4 in each row. 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. The first strategy that I do or I use when I'm looking at division is I think about arrays, and I think about how the model could be used in division.